Got my stuff in here. Got her stuff in here. So we're gonna go ahead and take this car for a test drive. Yo, the moves though. What is up? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video, guys. So before we get into this video, I kind of wanted to address something, a comment that I saw in one of the previous videos. You guys know that I never address comments because I just comment back on the video which that comment was commented underneath. But I kind of wanted to address this one in this video, right? The comment said, if that was my girl and then she did that when the camera pointed to her, that I would be embarrassed or something like that. And when I read that comment, I was like, bro, let me show you why she did what she did, okay? This is why she did what she did.
Trust me, trust me. I don't like being alone. Thinking about bringing your light. I wish you would come home.
She's a dancer, bro. So just like we have cars and we're into cars and that's like our hobby / our passion, that's dancing for her. That's what she does on the side. That's what she enjoys, right? I guess I just wanted to say, sometimes you just got to be careful what you say because you just don't know. You got to be careful what you speak on because sometimes you just don't know the full story, right? She be getting it though.
I'm just trying to protect my space. I don't really need the pain.
But enough about that. Here we have the Insta360 triple suction cup car mount with the camera for our 370Z. Actually, it's for any car, to be honest. But of course, that's the car that we're going to use it on. I'm super excited. We still have to unbox the camera. We haven't even opened it yet. This just came in. I am so excited. I feel like this is about to change the game for us. Like the POVs is about to go crazy. So we have everything open. Let's go ahead and show you guys. So here's the camera itself. Right. Feels pretty solid. Has a screen on it. And then the most important thing about this whole thing, right? Without this, to me at least, without this is kind of, you know, it wouldn't really serve a purpose. So I'm not gonna use it like a selfie stick or anything like that, right? Want it for my car, and so we have the Insta360 car mount. So we have the suction right here. This has a little cap on it, it looks like, and then you do that, and I guess that's how it sucks. Pretty cool. And we have the bars and another bar. So the thing with this is this doesn't come with the selfie stick. So thank God we have the selfie stick right here. So this is what's going to actually, I can show you guys a picture. It's on the actual box. That's kind of why it's grayed out, because it doesn't come with the selfie stick. It just comes with this part right here, the bar, and then of course the suction. And then this part is just missing from the actual package, which is right here for us. So the main benefit with going with the Insta360 mount is the fact that it's really adjustable. And then, again, you guys will see once we get it on there, but this part telescopes, and then this part kind of goes like up and down like that. So it's fully adjustable. So you can actually have, so you see how it's sticking out like that? The camera can actually go like this. And if I'm not mistaken, I could be wrong, I don't think you really have that fully adjustable like mount capabilities with other mounts that they make for this. Obviously not Insta360, of course it's gonna be like third-party mounts like on Amazon and stuff like that. But for being honest, guys, this mount is really expensive, just being straight up. So I'm actually glad that we have this. But like I said, let's go ahead and mount this and I'll show you guys what it looks like afterwards. Now we have some of it assembled on here. So we have the suction, and then this piece is actually one piece right here, and then this bar is another piece. So all there's left to do is just put the selfie stick, the action invisible selfie stick, which goes in there, comes out, and then we have the support that gets mounted right here, and then it just like mounts to the selfie stick. So if you guys are going to be purchasing this through Insta360, or you're going with the Insta360 brand, make sure that you get the action invisible selfie stick, because there are two. There's the invisible selfie stick, and then there's the action invisible selfie stick. Difference is, the first one, I don't have it with me, I left it upstairs. But the difference is, this one is carbon fiber, it's full carbon fiber, and the it's actually a bigger mount than the actual other one. Let me go get the other one so I can compare it. So here is just the invisible selfie stick, and then we have the action invisible selfie stick. So you guys can see right away the white box is way bigger. And then if we take it out of the box, this is how big this one is. You guys can see that. This is not carbon fiber. This is like metal, I guess. Right, but the funny thing is, this one's actually longer than the bigger one that is carbon fiber. Now this one is full carbon fiber. So you kind of see, I'm assuming it has like this diamond stuff for like the invisibility portion of it. But I don't know if you guys can see that, how well you can see it, but this is full carbon fiber. See if I can put it in a light, but you can kind of see the weave underneath like that diamond like wrap they have on it. So it's pretty cool. It's definitely like lightweight too. So to kind of compare it, right? The left one is the one that you need. That is the Action Invisible Selfie Stick, which is carbon fiber. And then the right one is just like a regular invisible selfie stick. The regular one doesn't go in there, right? But the Action one goes in there perfectly. And then we're just gonna tighten this and it will literally come out and then just kind of, you know, telescope. Alright, and just like that, it is all installed. So we're just gonna go ahead and telescope it. I think that's the furthest it goes out. That's it, guys. We're good. Now it is time to go get some test shots. So to kind of demonstrate the way that it telescopes, or like the way that you can adjust it, I'll go ahead and loosen these right here. And then we'll go ahead and loosen this. It's gonna come down. So that telescopes right there, and then that part right there, that bar moves up and down, so that you're able to either have it lower or you can have it higher. So we'll go ahead and loosen, or not loosen, but tighten it, and then we'll go ahead and tighten this, and then we'll tighten this. That's it. And then it's just, that thing's, it's not coming off, dog. It's not. I've been wanting this whole setup for a very long time, so I'm very excited that we actually have it now. Guys, you can honestly expect more POV, like more of this angle on the channel. Summer's coming up, so it's just gonna be amazing. But we are on a time crunch. We are gonna be going to a meet tonight, and we're gonna be filming. I gotta wash this car, so that's the only reason why I had to cut that footage short. But man, it looks cool. So if you guys are wondering, this whole setup right here, including the mount with the camera, is about $1,000, right? So the mount, if I'm not mistaken, I think it's around like $3. So the thing is, like, the mount includes like this supporting arm right here, and then this right here. It does not include the selfie stick. You gotta buy that separately. This with the selfie stick alone is $400, and then I believe the camera is $599, $499, something like that, right? Now, if I'm being honest, my birthday just passed, so that's why we have this, thank God. But yeah, if you are interested in this setup right here, guys, yes, it's about $1,000. And that's actually why some people don't run this mount, because you can get a third-party mount on Amazon, because obviously it's way cheaper. Now, the thing with this one is it's quality, right? So that's kind of why you would want to go with this one right here. And you know, if anything happens, they can't say, oh, you use a third-party mount and that's why I did what I did. Like, nah, bro, Insta360, Insta360, Insta360. Our airbag light came back on too, and I'm pretty sure it's because a wire probably got loose in here. So before we leave, I also want to get that fixed because I do not want to have that thing flashing in my face on the way down the SD. So we're gonna see now. Oh, I forgot I gotta turn the car on. We're gonna see now by me, you know, messing with these wires, if it fixed it. Hopefully I don't have to take off the hub because I really do not want to take off the hub. I just don't like doing it because this tightens it, so when we take it off, you gotta like beat it off. And I don't want to do that. So hopefully this fixes it. Let's see. Come on, please don't say current. Please don't say current. Please don't say current. Oh, let's go. So we erase it, right? We erase it, and then it should go off on the dash, right? So we're gonna turn it off. We're gonna turn it back on. And wait for it, it's gonna go off. It's gonna go off. Please don't blink again, please don't blink again. Bro, let's go. All right, simple. Cool. Now we're just gonna put these in here like that. Make sure that don't come back on. Make sure that these wires are in there properly like that. And we cool. And we are all done. I'm gonna leave this mount on here because we're literally gonna use it in the next video. Car looks clean. I'm gonna end it here. Like I said, we're gonna be starting a new video in like 10 minutes or so because we're headed down to SD to go to a garage collective meet. So I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out, stay safe, and stay tuned.
Who knew I would make it this far? They hated, they never believed me. Yeah, I would never drop the ball. I know I make it look easy. Yeah, Mayweather with the defense. I don't care what a critic got to say. I got them picking up the pieces. That to me, you really playing with your life. I'm about to come and run it all back. I'm the new era, about to snap back. You ain't fitting for it, cause you all cap like.